dance is called polka dot bikini. 40 count, 4 waltz, and 2 restart. The restart will be at wall 2 and wall 6 after 32 count, and it's facing 6 o'clock. So I start with section 1. Section 1 start with the right foot, walk forward with a kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. Walk back. 5, 6, 7, touch. It's also called a disco step. Alright, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch. Section 2, side together, scissors cross. Side together, quarter shuffle to your left. Side together, scissors cross. Side together, forward cha-cha to the left. So I repeat, side together, scissors cross is side together cross. Then you side together, quarter shuffle. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, do a pivot quarter turn and a samba step. Step forward, quarter turn, samba step is cross, side, side. So I repeat here, you do a pivot quarter turn, step, quarter turn, samba step, cross, side, side. Do a rock, recover, quarter shuffle to your left. Rock, recover, side shuffle. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section, no, it's not last section. Section 4, you do a whip to your left with a flip. In front, side, behind, flip. And you do a whip to your right. In front, side, behind, touch. So this section is in front, side, behind, flip. In front, side, behind, touch. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the last section here. Pivot half turn 2 times. Step forward, half turn. Step forward, half turn. Followed by a rocking check. Rock, recover, back, recover. And you finish the dance. So I do the last section with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the top until here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will dance with music now. Remember, wall 2 and wall 6, there is a restart.